That is what we caught.
Can you hold him?
Yeah, it's biting me. It's biting me, honey.
In the neck.
Wait, it's biting me.
Yeah, let him go.
Okay, let's go. Look at that, guys.
Let him go.
Oh, that's what we caught. It's lunchtime. What you got? You got ham? Hi guys. Yan po. Magta-try po kami mag-snorkel. Yan guys. Just for fun. Tingnan niyo po mga guys. Akala ko po siya ay bola na nakuha ko po siya sa ilalim ng tubig nung ako po ay gumagamit ng snorkel. So, kinuha ko po siya. Di ko po alam kung ano po yan guys. Pero it's like para siyang sumasayaw. Nakakadiri pong hawakan kasi po para siyang para guys, prawns. This is our bait.
We've got a rag.
Oh, that rug over here. You got it? Look. That's it. I'm going to try, guys. Fish on? Oh. They're still there. Maybe underneath, honey. Look, guys. What I caught.
A brim.
First catch. No, I mean first catch. That's what I caught first. See, the birds are getting crazy because of the snapper. Oh, you can see them. I can see them, honey. Oh, come on, throw. The bird hooked in. It's on with the fish. Oh, crazy. Oh no. Oh no. The bird. Oh, we caught the bird. Look at that, guys. That's what we caught. The bird. That is what we caught.
Can you hold him?
Yeah, it's biting me. It's biting me, honey.
In the neck.
Wait, it's biting me.
Yeah, let him go.
Okay, let's go. Look at that, guys.
Let him go.
Oh, that's what we caught. Honey, what is that? Stingray? The black one?
Stingray, maybe.
Oh, I'm scared.
It won't hurt you, honey.
No, that one is dangerous.
It isn't dangerous. It's just a stingray.
You showed him that stingray, big one.
There's that black spot in the water. It's a stingray. Just don't get near the tail, sissy. You want your snorkel?
The water is so nice.
You want your snorkel?
Oh, no need. No.
Yeah, I think you need to do it there.
Okay.
You need to snorkel around for a bit.
Okay. Can you give me the snorkel, please?
Yeah, hang on. I'll turn.